In this e-learning, we are going to introduce you to the roadmap of success utilizing WISE option. If you develop a good foundation when you begin using this program, all forms, windows, and reports will make a lot more sense. We apply the same concepts throughout the program. Also, we are going to show you how to get answer to your questions and have access to all the training material that is available to you. But first, I want to welcome to the easy record keeping with WISE option, and thank you for choosing WISE option for your equine management needs. My name is Eduardo Almeida, and I am the founder, designer, and one of the senior developers for WISE option. I am originally from Brazil, so I will ask you to excuse my accent, and I hope you don't have a hard time understanding what I'm saying. Maybe you don't know, but WISE option was once a school project. That's right. I came to the United States in 2002 to pursue my master's degree in information technology. As a requirement, I came up with a project, and WISE option at that time called Ranch Manager's Horse Edition was the basis of my thesis and many other papers throughout the course. What I didn't know was that my project would become a profitable company, nor its impact on the world of equine management. The reason I'm talking about this is to make you aware of WISE option's early beginnings in the world of academia. I have been able to experience a lot of great things in my life because of this project, and I have learned many great things from people in the world of equine management. And for this reason, I'd like to share the knowledge I have gained and contribute to the lives of those in the study and business of breeding horse. For that purpose, we have created a program called WISE Option Gives Back that provides colleges and universities an opportunity to use WISE option for free. So if you have any intern or any kind of relationship to any college or university specialized in equine matters, please let them know about this program and visit our website for more information on this wonderful opportunity to the academic world. After personally training users for several years, from small to big farms, I became aware of the most frequent pitfalls and mistakes users make, especially during their first days using the program, first keystrokes and record entries. So the main target of this first lesson is to provide you with a roadmap to success and teach you how to avoid those common mistakes. One of the most frequent causes for frustrations is usually from those who want to start with the most advanced features in WISE option. First, you have to walk. Then we may try to run. It is really important for you, for your success with this program, that you start from the beginning and learn all the basic stuff first. Then, later, you work with the advanced modules such as multiple reminders, pregnancy shots, frozen semen inventory, flushes, embryo transfers, and so on. A good foundation is the key to unlock an easy workflow on those advanced modules in WISE option. So the Getting Started is a must-do chapter that you should watch from our e-learning library, and if possible, you should also practice those lessons along with the white papers available in our manuals. There are many cool features in this program, and it is not possible to show all of them in one sitting. We designed and coded those great features, but most of them were actually requested or suggested by users like you. And that's why I'm so positive that you are going to love this program. We came up with a tool to provide you real-time access to information in a way that it was as easy, friendly, and as cost-efficient as possible. So to learn all the cool stuff in WISE option, we offer and we have prepared e-learning video lessons, also a manual online, a manual on your local computer, and a printed version of the manual as well. The e-learnings are the easiest and most informative form of training. Where is the cool stuff? The e-learning will not only show you where they are, but it will also show you how to use them. Many users say that they are able to learn the program faster from the e-learnings because it is at their pace. And all you need is a computer with an internet connection, speakers, or headphones for the audio. Repeat the lessons for as many times as you want. Consolidate those base concepts and build up a good foundation for whenever we get started with those more advanced modules in WISE Option. You can pause the lesson while practicing on your own computer, and you may also follow the lessons with white papers available in our manual. We use the e-learning videos as our main tool to train users. We also want to receive your suggestions about new topics for our library. The whole point here is to have a place where you can come every now and then and recall how to use those modules that you don't visit that often. As we improve this nice training tool, not only you but also others can have answers for their questions as well as suggestions or ideas about different ways others are using WISE Option. Maximize your experience watching those WISE Options e-learning by utilizing Microsoft Internet Explorer. A flash player, the flash player is required to watch the e-learning. Of course, you already have that installed on your computer, otherwise you wouldn't be able to watch this presentation. But just keep that in mind when you're trying to watch our e-learnings on other computers. The flash player is a free program, it's a freeware, which can be downloaded at www.adobe.com. Also, in order to improve your experience, here are a couple of hints on how to customize WISE Option e-learnings to your browser and monitor. The recommended resolution for your monitor is 1024 by 768 pixels. But that's not only for the e-learnings. We also recommend this resolution, the minimum resolution, when using WISE Option the program. Certain forms might be blurry in smaller resolutions. In some cases, it prevents access to the quick search option present in the main screen of WISE Option. Back to the Internet Explorer, press the key F11 on your keyboard to view the presentation at full screen. Also available from the top menu bar under the View option. To turn the default view of the browser to return to that default view, you simply press F11 again. Notice the control objects under the main window for the e-learnings. There you can pause, play, and position the lesson to a certain point. If you have a slow internet connection, this might be tricky, but this is a good trick that might help you. When you open the e-learning session, the lesson starts right away. It starts playing right away. This way, you do not have to wait to the end of the download to start watching the lesson. However, sometimes the download is not as fast as the lesson. In this case, you should pause the lesson and wait a few seconds until more of the lesson is downloaded into your computer. It is easy to catch that because we have two progress bars, one for the lesson and one for the download. Now that you are good with the e-learning, let's talk about the manuals. The manual is available online at www.wiseoption.com/manual, and that is the best option for those who like to read the instructions instead of watching lessons. This is because through our manual online, you will find always the latest version released. However, other options of the manual are also available. There is one on your computer or server that you can reach at all times by simply clicking the function key F1 on your keyboard. Or from the main screen in WISE Option on the top menu, you can also reach the manual under the Help option. A PDF version of the manual has also been placed into WISE Options folder on your computer. That's also the printable version of the manual that displays the table of contents with all chapters and pages. It also contains an index list at the end. We are constantly adding new white papers to the manual, as well as new e-learnings to our library. If you cannot find an answer for your question in our manuals or in our e-learning, please email us your question or comments. Just keep in mind that our first attempt will be to address your issue through one of these sources, manual or e-learnings. because only through this methodology we will be able to cover every single corner of the program as we progress. And like I said, it will be available for you again in case you need to refresh your memory. Let's talk a little bit about the tickets, the support ticket system. We have developed a support ticket system to assist all WISE option users. In order to expedite support needs and keep a fair sequence of actions for us here in the support team, it is required that any support issue starts only whenever a ticket is entered online. This way, we will be doing two important things at the same time. First, we will maintain an unquestionable queue of the tickets to work with, and second, we will be registering in our records all moves performed in regards to your account and issues, which will be of great help for our internal use as well as a great reference for your own future consultations. This next item amazes me, and I hope you as well. And I'm talking about our wish list. Every time I think we are getting close to stop adding new modules to the program, there we go again, developing something really nice that a user suggests, or some changes required by a particular association that demands an immediate action from our part. But right now, I'm specifically referring to those nice things that you'd like to have in the program. We welcome your suggestions through our support system online, and the process in this case is very democratic. The more users asking for the same new feature, report, or new module, the higher priority that particular item or suggestion will take in our list of wish list development. Our toll-free number is still available to you. However, if you are looking for support, please keep in mind that a support ticket entered online is mandatory. Our telephone system is designed primarily to receive messages, so it is more likely that you will have to leave a message when calling us for support, and we work on a first-come, first-served basis, which is based on the support ticket system. The only moment in which we encourage you to leave a telephone message is in an unfortunate event such as an emergency. A lightning day and a server crash during the breeding season is certainly much more important than a report that you cannot remember where it is, right? Although a support ticket is still required for emergencies, you should go ahead and leave a message as well. This way, we guarantee that we are not going to miss your request because we are going to be paged on both cases, from the support ticket and from your emergency phone call. Other than emergency, a support ticket should always be entered through our website, and that should be enough. Let's not forget about those who still prefer to get support and training over the phone. Well, if the answer is covered by one of our sources online, the telephone support and training is still available, but that is charged separately. Just put in your ticket online that you want to receive a telephone support, and a technician will be calling you to help you with your case. The minimum charge is for 15 minutes consultation, and the telephone support rates are available on our website. Now, if you are demanding a lot of telephone support, or maybe your staff members are not able to manipulate our sources online, then it might be the case to consider a training on site. We do offer training on sites, which certainly will expedite the implementation of the program, especially for larger facilities with several people involved in the different processes. To get a quote for a training on site, just enter a support ticket mentioning that you like to learn more about the training on site, and somebody will be in touch with you as soon as possible. Last but not least, in regards to support, all subscription plan members' requests will be handled first, and then we will address the non-support member requests. I promise this is the last thing, and I'll let you go. If you are running WISE option under the ASP option, a key code is needed for every cycle in your billing period with us. It can be monthly, quarterly, or yearly. Those who purchase the unlimited use of the program only need to enter a new key code whenever installing an update of the program. This is the place where you enter a new key code. Especially for those under the ASP option, a detailed step-by-step instruction on how to get a new key code and how to enter the key code into the program is available in our e-learning library and also in our manual. Our license agreement, copyright, web privacy statement, and the terms and conditions of use are always available for review at www.wiseoption.com. Again, thank you for choosing WiseOption, and welcome to the easiest record-keeping system for the equine industry.